Hi, this is David Newmeyer. I'm Executive Director of Virginia Legal Aid Society, and Virginia Legal Aid provides civil legal assistance to low-income people who cannot afford to hire a lawyer on their own. We don't do any criminal work, no traffic, but we do help is with people's basic needs for daily living. Problems like conditions of housing, evictions, foreclosures, access to public benefits, consumer lending problems like predatory lending, car title lending, family law problems, education problems, wills and powers of attorney. Those are all the basics that most people encounter in their lives, and that is what we work on. We don't charge our clients any fee. And to survive, to be able to pay our mortgage and lights and salaries for our employees, and we have full-time lawyers as well as volunteer lawyers in the community who help us, we have to do a lot of fundraising, a lot of grant writing, and we're particularly grateful in Lynchburg that we get significant support from United Way. United Way here helps us with our housing work, and we focus on evictions, foreclosures, and on getting landlords to remedy hazardous conditions that they haven't fixed by taking them to court, depositing a tenant's rent into court, and that rent is not released until the problems have been fixed. This year we've been very pleased to start work on a new project. As you're probably aware, United Way has started a new focus this year on education readiness, and we were inspired to help support this effort by creating a new education project of our own that focuses on special education needs. About 10 to 15% of the population is born with disabilities of some sort, and in many children, these are not recognized until the children are well into grade school, but the problems can be addressed starting at birth, and our project is reaching out to educate parents so that they know about the presence of disabilities, they can spot them, have the disabilities assessed, and start to access services. And the earlier that services are obtained, the more likely the child is to have educational success. So we are doing educational outreach in the community and letting people know about these the rights, about resources, and the fact that legal aid can also help them obtain the services. And we are pleased to work with United Way on that project as well as our housing work. We have a telephone intake system. Most of our cases come into us by telephone, and our phone number is 866-LEGAL-AID, 866-LEGL-AID. That's the best way to get access to us. We have people answering the phones 4 days a week, and we collect income information, make sure there's not a conflict of interest with another client that we already have. For people who just need advice, or that's where we're all going to be able to give them, they receive that on their first phone call for us, with us, and people can also go online and apply to us online, and we encourage people to do that. We're grateful for United Way's support and for this community's support.